Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
We'll start in a minute.
Hello.
Good morning. Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Basically, I just asked a while ago to watch the video clip on the WhatsApp I have sent. So you are supposed to see that video clip. To save the time, I have shared it. My machine was rebooting again and again, so I have shared the thing which I wanted to share it in between. So have everybody watched it? It's a 7-minute video. Even if you see the first 2-3 minutes, also it's fine. Let me know if you all have seen it. Is my screen visible? Is the screen visible to all of you all? Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्रीन दिख रही क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So on the WhatsApp, I had sent one video. Have you seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can anyone tell me in short, what did you see? Quickly. Hello.
They had showed a pod hotel and pod stays in Mumbai, which is one of its kind, where a solo person or a person traveling for 1 or 2 days can have a single stay over there. It's
Okay.
can just define
I
that
hope.
if
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so like we can say if we have a overnight journey from somewhere, we take a sleeping bus. So how the rooms are like in a sleeping bus. It's just advanced technology where they have given a single person room where you can take a stay and which is again at affordable price where anyone can afford it compared to the room prices. So something we can say
Okay.
type of a different. And in one of our series like Sacred Games, the shooting was also done over here, which they have shown into the last closing of video. That's it, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. I think it was Karan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good observation, Karan, and very precisely you have mentioned all the important points which I wanted to actually mention here. See, basically, the purpose for showing this particular video clip, let me first reveal. To begin with the session, you might be surprised ki why I'm taking Unit 5, Blue Ocean Strategy. So that is my strategy of completion of the syllabus, because this week we need to complete the syllabus on strategically. Instead of fourth chapter, I'm taking fifth chapter to improve our moral, both the learners and the person who is delivering the session. Okay, because Unit 5 requires only 2 sessions to complete. So I thought let's improve our moral that we can complete the session of our Unit 5 first, and then go to the bigger chapter, that is fourth chapter. And as it is not that dependent on it, I thought to take it first. So today and tomorrow we will be completing this Unit 5, and hence, and it's an interesting topic. So I thought let's take it now. So this is the strategy for the syllabus completion for this week. Coming back to the video, basically, as Karan has rightly mentioned, and I expect that most of you all have seen this video on the WhatsApp. Uh, in this video, iPod hotel concept has been, shown, and all the points which Karan has just now mentioned. Actually, they also signify multiple other points also, which are very much related to blue ocean strategy. How and why, we are going to see it. But points to highlight would be, this particular kind of hotel were not there in India, okay? And although the similar concepts were existing with respect to the traveling concepts, but not staying overnight, okay? And economy, comfort level, flexibility, everything is being seen, hygiene, okay? Most important thing which now I'm going to take it up is, there are two things. Number one, somebody might have thought it as a startup, isn't it? Are you with me, everyone? और आपकी स्टार्टअप की क्या डेफिनेशन है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग है? एनीबॉडी क्विकली, व्हाट इज अ स्टार्टअप? हेलो?
Investing capital.
इन्वेस्टिंग कैपिटल, वैसे तो फिर मैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में भी इन्वेस्टिंग कैपिटल करती हूँ. इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप सिमिलर, सेम, synonymous to startup?
Ma'am, it's a basic company which is founded by one or many entrepreneurs to develop a unique product or service which they want to give to the market. And it start at a very, I can say, at a short level with a minimal amount of funding. The people having an idea, they can take an investment from investors. So basically, a small idea which
Great,
of people or an individual have been started.
very good. You mentioned one important point, that is unique thing that a person needs to take it as an entrepreneurship, isn't it, Karan? So this was a main thing which I picked up from your understanding, which is really very important thing in terms of startup. Basically, I'm making one statement now. Okay, all startups are entrepreneurial ventures or entrepreneurial, step. But all entrepreneurs need not be startup. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
The reason is very simple. When we talk about any entrepreneurship, it could be a regular business, it could be a family business which is refurbished, it could be something new in that and then you are taking it ahead. It could be definitely in a smaller aspect, it could be tried out aspect, it could be something which is already done somewhere in a different way. But when we specifically talk about startup, one more word is associated with it, and that is innovation. You are doing some new idea, working on some new idea, a uniqueness is there in the process or the product or the service, okay, or the way you're handling the project. Please remember, there is a unique way of considering it as an entrepreneurial, establishment or a process. Okay, so that is the main difference. Now here when we talk about the pod hotels, definitely it's a new idea, a new concept. Okay, definitely it is a boost for the young generation, the current generation, at ease kind of a generation. Okay, where not only the Z, generation, I talk about the millennials and the generation ahead. Okay, that is the Y and the Z generation, that alpha and the further generations. Okay, there is a difference in the psychological pattern of thinking. Now when we talk about real estate, there is a change in mindset. पहले वाले जमाने में घर लेना एक बहुत बड़ा दुनिया भर का एक बोझ अपने ऊपर लेके कोई फादर घर चला रहा रहता है. ओके, कि मैंने अपना घर बनाया, बेटी की शादी की, दैट इज द मेजर प्रोजेक्ट इन हिज लाइफ. इफ यू रिकॉल योर फादर और ग्रैंडफादर, स्पेसिफिकली आपकी ग्रैंडफादर, yeah, my father, you can say, that generation had a different perspective to look towards life. Now current generation and the further generations are talking about in a different way. They don't want to invest, not all I'm talking about, but yes, major of them don't want to invest majorly in real estate. Rather than they want to go for hiring, okay, using it up, satisfying the purpose, moving ahead. They want variety, they want economy at that moment of time. They don't want to lock the major amount of their earnings into a real estate which is not going to be there for you forever. You know, there are multiple school of thoughts behind it. But yes, definitely the thought process here is also important, that the changing mindset, innovation, okay, a different way of living life, okay, catching the customer who are actually you know, catching up the new coming trends, okay. And I think it's no more how to go in a very economy kind of a state. पहले वाला जमाने में, especially in my father and grandfather's generation, definitely it was a status kind of a thing to hire a costly hotel, okay. But I and my further generation, they think about economy as well, they don't shy away, isn't it? Otherwise the joint coffee joint wouldn't have happened, you know. Borrow a book in a coffee shop, that concept wouldn't have happened, okay. Collaborations are very important nowadays, and their economy is the major point. Innovation helps us to present it, project in it in a better way, and get the maximum ROI, isn't it? So the best of the invested things, returns in form of returns, you get through such kind of strategy, isn't it? So basically, this is one of the aspect in blue ocean strategy. Moving ahead, so basically, when we talk about, just a moment. Hello. Yeah. So we'll talk about the blue ocean strategy first, and then come to that particular example once again. We will be also talking about here difference between blue and red ocean strategies. What are these blue ocean strategies, and what are these red ocean strategies? Basically, when we talk about the blue ocean strategy, now where there is no real rival, हमारा कोई competitor ही नहीं है. Just imagine, up till now, throughout the sessions we were talking about the SWOT analysis की intrinsic strengths and weaknesses देखो, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स टू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द मार्केट सिनारियो देखो, उनके बेसिस पे हमारा बिजनेस कैसे चलेगा, क्या लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, कि किस तरह से लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, what are the different other risk taking capabilities, and what are the contingency based on it. So we think from all these perspective, okay. लेकिन यहाँ पे अगर कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है तो just imagine there is no rival, isn't it? So it becomes a very different canvas altogether, okay, in for our business proposition, okay. So इन अ पर्टिक्युलर पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम, एखादा उमेदवार बिनविरोध निवडून येतो, ओके, कोई उसको चैलेंज करने वाला है ही नहीं इसमें पॉलिटिकल कैंपेन में, ओके. तो क्या होगा, वो इलेक्शन जीत जाएगा विदाउट एनी अपोजिशन, दैट वे. आई एम जस्ट हेल्पिंग यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ ब्लू ओशन स्ट्रेटजी, ओके. सो ऐसा प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस लॉन्च करते हो कि उसका कोई दावेदार आज तक मार्केट में नहीं है, ओके. सो कंपटीशन तो दूर की बात है, ओके. दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और कंपनी बिकम्स अनप्रेसिडेंट लीडर, okay. So basically, you as a visionary, you as a kind of a startup entrepreneur, you create a demand in a space which is unexplored by anyone else in the market. Neither the customer nor any business person might have talked about this idea, and you are talking it about it, and you are taking the risk. But लेकिन वो रिस्क में भी एक छुपा हुआ डिमांड आप पैदा कर रहे हो कि ये आपकी जरूरत है. ये कस्टमर को भी मालूम नहीं रहता कभी कभी कि ये उनकी जरूरत है, या फिर मालूम रहता है लेकिन ऐसा कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट आया ही नहीं है. जैसे ये पॉड होटल का कंसेप्ट मैंने बताया अभी, ओके. वी वर अवेयर कि जैसे तुमने करण ने राइटली कंपेयर किया कि ट्रैवल में ये छोटा सा हम कंपार्टमेंट हम अब हमारे लिए बुक करते हैं स्लीपर कोच में, ओके. और अगर हमने लग्जूरियस कोच हायर किया, ओके, तो डेफिनेटली सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ सिनेरियो यू सी देयर, ओके. यू आर हायरिंग द सर्विसेज इन अ वेरी कन्वीनियंट मैनर, isn't it? So how about putting that concept in a hotel? Because nowadays things are happening in a very fast-paced world. there are traditional things which are going outdated. Same is the concept with the hotel business. पहले वाले I mean, same happened with the supermarket. 20 years back, there was no supermarket. Okay, they were traditional shopkeepers. Slowly, things changed, and now we have come to big basket kind of a thing, Amazon kind of a thing, wherein the market is coming at your doorstep. So these changes are happening in the market, and the person or the people, those who are encashing it for the first time, definitely they lead the business. Okay, but at the cost of your, that risk taking ability of that particular person or group of companies, isn't it? So basically, there is a अनकंटेस्टेड ग्रोथ बेसिकली. ओके, क्योंकि आपकी मोनोपोली होती है उस वक्त. अगर आईपॉड के बिजनेस, सॉरी, पॉड होटल के बिजनेस में कोई आ रहा है, तो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम देयर वोंट बी एनी राइवल until and unless there would be a similar chain created somewhere else in India. अब्रॉड में तो है कॉन्सेप्ट, लाइक लॉन्ग बैक, आई मीन 10-15 years पहले यूएस में it was there. Okay, but it was not popular in India. It was a very small aspect even talked about, isn't it? So rapid growth in would in sales, okay, is seen in such kind of business, okay, and profits too. Like if you compare it with the traditional hotels, nowadays these traditional hotels, like last February, I went for a conference in Mumbai in BKC area. Now there the rates are so high that it was very difficult for me to even afford a 1 day stay there in a good hotel, a decent hotel. And I, being a female, I was also looking for a protective kind of environment and a very decent kind of a accommodation and so many things. And the venue from that particular hotels, my venue of conference was far away, so it was very difficult for me to actually select a hotel. Okay, and it was difficult task basically, and I ended up in paying more for a very decent hotel than I should have for a 1 day stay. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे रिश्तेदार नहीं है, लेकिन for a business trip, for a official work, for a formal thing, we try to avoid as far as possible, troubling the our relatives. So definitely such kind of options, when they are explored, would work like wonders basically. So uh, currently hotel business is not that good. Forget about the pandemic right now. Even before the pandemic, it was not so well because of the economical downfall. Sorry. So कंपटीशन नहीं है और प्रॉफिट ज्यादा हो सकता है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉइंट वी टॉक अबाउट द ब्लू ओशन स्ट्रेटजी. सो नो कॉम्पिटिटर्स, सो वाइडर एंड डीपर अपॉर्चुनिटीज आल्सो. ओके, क्योंकि आज तक जो भी दूसरा कोई भी उसमें जंप करने की कोशिश करेगा, तो डेफिनेटली उसको वक्त तो लगेगा उसका स्टडी करने के लिए, बिजनेस प्लान बनाने के लिए, कंटिजेंसी प्लान बनाने के लिए, और ये पूरा करने तक कुछ महीने तक या 1 साल तक तो उसको कंपटीशन नहीं है. उस वक्त तक वो अपना वहां पे मतलब he will have a firm stand in his business. He will earn profit, he will grow because there is no other market player in that. Okay, he is the only player in, and he can gain all the profits. Okay, and usually we have a tendency to try out the new things, which is really very smart, economical, and attractive option which is available. Okay, so we're talking about all these things in this chapter. Blue ocean strategy and approach that suggest a company is better off searching for ways to play in uncontested marketplaces instead of engaging with competition in existing marketing spaces. मतलब क्या, ट्रेडिशनल वे की तरह न जाके थोड़ा हटके एक पाथ खुद क्रिएट करो. It is the idea of trying to find market spaces that are free of competitors by creating and capturing new demand, making the competition irrelevant. मतलब क्या, हमारे लिए कोई competition ही नहीं है. हमारा, we are the only players in the market, so we are unbeatable leaders. Okay. Another example apart from the pod hotel is the Netflix, which we have already seen so many years. Last couple of years तो बहुत ज़्यादा. I hope everyone is aware of Netflix. I don't think anyone in the group who is not aware of Netflix. So Netflix created uncontested marketing spaces by selling TV shows over the internet, which no one else was currently doing. I don't remember my teenage or my youth age wherein such kind of option was there, wherein I could purchase a movie on the television, or I could purchase a particular option of over the internet to customize my requirements of availing the facility of watching any typical show or any typical movies of my choice. Whatever the different channels I used to get, I used to have that particular cable operator ka help, and then I used to get avail the services of whatever types and combination he provides. If I want to change, I would have changed the service provider rather than anything else, and which is not that feasible now with Speed. That time they were the only options. So Netflix would be an example. By doing this, they made the competition irrelevant, creating and capturing new demands for a service not currently available in the market. So they were able to break the value cost trade off by providing better value than cable TV. Because you watch any show you wanted at any time at your own convenience and at your own comfort, at your own commercial value. Okay, much less than the cost you bear for a cable TV. Okay, by entering a blue ocean strategy, they were able to pursue low cost and differentiation leadership compared to the alternatives to their own product. I would not go into the company history of Netflix. I would leave it to you to read the company history of Netflix. But yes, the significant point over here is that, okay, Netflix moved to a monthly subscription model to a particular different type of customized version of its model, wherein the sales grew from 1999 to 2017 का ये अगर patch लिया तो भी it is about $272 million of growth. Okay, and $6.5 million का profit 2003 तक ही इतना था, तो उसके आगे it is much ahead. Okay, because in 2007 there were many more additions and many more changes which have been incorporated with Netflix, wherein they now began streaming videos online so that subscribers could watch movie over the internet at their own time and place. So there was a product change within Netflix also. They eliminated commercials. They captured live sports, news programs. Okay. Now this is something which is we call as regular television shows bombarded and flooded with commercials, where vis-a-vis the shows which you want to have without any TVC, without any kind of interruption. Okay. I think the timeline shown is 5.5 minutes. We would like to complete 1 point further. So maybe 5 or 10 minutes more I would require. So I am again mentioning it. Please rejoin if I get disconnected. There are 24 people. I would request you all, if there is a disconnection, please rejoin for 10 to 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Further is price, technical support, installation, and process complexity. Okay, you are getting at a reasonable cost. Parental content filtering, movie selection, the number of type of devices you can watch on. Okay, so that is the increasing point of control. Okay, that is increasing point of growth in using. That is the increasing point where the users have increased, wider audience was captured because of these facilities, because of this convenience. And ability to watch from any location, ability to watch full seasons on demand at any point of time. So these are some of the important criteria why it actually got kicked off very well. This is the business scenario which Netflix gained over. What was the investment? What was the profit? What was the ROI? You can see it on the screen. Okay. So this is a very good picture of Netflix that has been derived, and now people are encashing it on the similar business revenue generation model. Here, a stock glimpse of Netflix with other stock is given over here, and you can see that this is the current data which I have got it from the net. I just got it a while ago. Okay, ROI, when we talk about from last 3 years, you can see here last 2 years. Okay, what is the net income of TTM and what is the ROI? Just go through it, how it has increased from 13% to 16%, and it is increasing only. With the pandemic it has gone up rather than going down, because in lockdown first 1.0 there was nothing, no other thing available, and there probably the internet came to our hand, and we could avail the services uninterrupted there. Okay, so the regular traditional systems were silent that time. Okay, so that also gave a boost to such kind of unique product which is already there in the market. Time to compare between the red ocean strategy and the blue ocean strategy. The blue ocean strategy is targeting innovative new market space, whereas the red ocean strategy is talking about struggling in the water which is existing right now. And I don't know why they are calling it as a blood ocean strategy, but I can see that the competitors are bleeding each other. कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन हम जब बोलते हैं, लिटरली एक दूसरे का गला काटने के लिए बैठे हुए हैं वो. ओके, इट्स अ ब्लडी मार्केट, राइट. एग्जिस्टिंग कंपटीटर को हराने के लिए कुछ भी हद तक लोग गिर जाते हैं. ओके, दिस इज अ ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. ओके, whereas when we talk about the blue ocean strategy, it's so serene, it's so kind of a very niche kind of a market you have tapped. Okay, so it's a new market space. Okay, clean and serene. Okay, companies expand and go across industry boundaries. It's a kind of a what you can say, sky's the limit kind of a thing. You just go on exploring the blue ocean strategy, whereas the red ocean strategy, industry boundaries are defined and accepted. There are protocols, there are standards set in. You have to swim in the same water. You cannot bypass a particular limit or a boundary line. The scopes are defined, and you need to study those scopes, abide by the rules laid down by the standard players, and go further in your business, getting hurted, getting wounded, collapsing, rising, okay, and whatnot. Okay. Competition is irrelevant in blue ocean strategy because you are the unprecedented leader there. You have tapped a very new resource and you are the leader. आपकी monopoly चलेगी कुछ दिन, definitely. Okay, so this is blue uncharted water, very serene, very pure and clean, isn't it? Whereas, as I talked about, the cutthroat competition means the water is bloody red. Means what? एक दूसरे के का business खाने के लिए सब बेताब है. So how I'm going to go in the market share at the topmost position, where my company stand? How will I capture more customers? इसका customer हटा के मैं अपनी तरफ किस तरह से मोड़ूंगा? You see it in the advertisement also, when a typical advertisement of two different say hair oil. It's okay to promote your product, nothing wrong in that, but when you are actually